Oh, hi. Here, just before sending the device to you, I am showing you a demo of the device, how to operate and what are the standard uh, steps to follow. So first of all, of course, it will be covered with this red rubber. But first of all, once you receive it, because here are all the indications, like you will be able to see three different holes here. This is for charging indicator, this is for advertising and connection and disconnection status, and this is for power status. So first of all, like, you need this kind of pin. This switch, the arm is not much long. It will be sorted out in the next version, alpha version, but it's a one-time work only. So you need to slide it using this kind of pin. So as soon as it will be powered on, you will see a green light here, which means it's powered on. Then there is another light, hope you can see. So the middle, this section, you will be able to see a light is blinking. So this blinking means it is advertising the device is ready to connect. So now I will open the mobile app, and so as soon as your device is on and you will open the device, open the app, then it will connect. You will need to wait for some time. Then what you need to do is just wait for a few seconds. Then you will see I will do disconnect from here, and then this red LED, this LED should again start blinking. So I am disconnecting it, and you can see this that green LED started blinking again. Now what I have to do is, you have to click on this threshold, and then I need to select the threshold value, after which it should start giving me alert. So I am selecting here 23, and then again I will, you can see still the green LED should blink. Now I will do a scan and connect. It's connected, and you can see the green LED is connected, and it is giving some alert also. So once alert will come, alert message will be shown here, some values comes here, and it goes off after some time. So I am just moving this sensor in another direction, and wherever it detects any object which is having temperature more than 22 degrees C, it is giving an alert. So in this way, I have given a range of, in this video I am showing the standard way in which you need to open it and then work on the battery part, because I have to remove the battery before sending it. So removing it is pretty much easy. It's a straightforward, just need to remove like this. Just remember, there is one kind of push accessory, push button accessory is there. It's an extra part, added part, so properly take care of this. Just need to remove and keep it here, because it works like this, like, and you can see it's a press sound maybe coming. Just need to move like this. Then you need any standard screwdriver set, and just need to screw it like this. So I have for this product like 3 screws are for arrangement are made, which can put it at its right place, the total PCB. Just takes few seconds to remove these screws. So these 3 screws are removed. Now I am taking out this PCB. You can see the PCB and the battery arrangements is like this. Red wire is soldered here, green is soldered this side. I am removing this wire in front of you just to make sure. You need any standard soldering iron like this, and then just one by one. This green is removed, sorry, black is removed, and now this red part. So now these both wires are removed, battery is removed. I'm keeping the battery side, and now again I am placing this PCB on this. So you can see the 3 screws correspondingly sit like this, and again I am going to screw it. So now that it's ready, I will show how to put this thing again. Just make sure this button should be in proper position, then only the reset starts working. Just keep it like this, and then just when you place, you can see the button is in proper position. So after doing all these things, this is the cover. We have to place it like this so that it properly goes inside. Just make sure that this button part should goes properly, and once it goes totally inside, it makes a snapping, gives a feeling of snapping fit. So it looks like this. And as you can see, this is done. Now we can do all these arrangements. So same like that, same like the outer part, I have made these 2 holes. This is for the power on is here, but I just made this and this hole. This will give a feeling of like it's advertising, and this is for charging. So I hope it is clear.